never change.
Walang kapaglagyan.
Mga balita, late nakuha.
Mga balita, second hand.
Balita, pinagpaguran.
Mga balitang pinagsama-sama.
Mga balita. Ito ang...
Balita! Unang balita, isang batang lalaki dinala sa ospital dahil sa kahirapan sa paghinga. Alamin niyan sa video insert. Masyadong obvious na hirap siyang mingalo. Bongga!
Wala na akong mako-comment. May dyan na tayo nakatingin ako.
Ayan. Okay. Okay na ko.
Okay na.
Next.
Ako naman.
Sige, go.
Matapos i-discharge, bumalik na naman ang batang lalaki. Dahil sa hirap na naman siyang huminga.
Na naman!
Oo.
Na naman!
Na naman. Ngunit, ang masaklap dito, wala siyang bantay. Sad!
Sad talaga.
Sad na sad.
Oo, ganun yun.
Sige.
Pagbalik ng hospital, nagpahemodialysis ang bata mula sa mga mabubuting loob sa PGH.
Oh, sweet naman.
Ay, sweet talaga ang mga taga-PGH.
Kasama ka, Joy. Kasama ka.
Punta naman natin ngayon si Kuya Tim. Bata Tim! Joker. Para sa PGH. Pasok!
Elephant on the sidings and take it to the park. Yes, sir, Chuck Duncan. This elephant is very important. You must be very careful. When Duncan saw the elephant, he was surprised. Why, it's only a statue, he said. This is an easy joke. You must wait for the brake van, said the station master. This statue is very heavy. Nonsense, huffed Duncan to his driver. I've pushed heavier loads than this plenty of times. Let's go, Duncan, said his driver. But we must be careful. So they left, but without the brake van. But Duncan wasn't careful. He was impatient. We'll show them how fast I can be, Duncan whistled. We'll deliver to this statue, and I'll still finish first. Duncan started to speed up. Soon, Duncan was going as fast as his wheels could carry him. His driver was starting to worry, so he tried to brake. But Duncan was out of control. He was scared. He had never gone this fast. People waved, and cars tooted as Duncan sped by. Suddenly, a tractor trundled across Duncan's line. "Look out!" shouted his driver.
O pare, umpisan ko na, ROS muna, Review of Systems. Hindi nagsusukat. No throwing up for me, man.
Etesis? Wala NCs.
Ako ulit, ha?
Sige nga.
I mean, yeah, go bro. Masakit ang ulo. Ah! I think I have a headache. Nakitesh yung ulo ko. Wali! Headache for me. Binuto ako. Teka, sis, blood! Yuck! It is toxic! The Lord! Yuck! Yuck! Sige, pare. Pare! Hindi ako nagtatae. Ikaw? Yeah. No water stools for me. Only good stools. Moi, je veux du thé one day. Pare, tae ko. Walang dugo. Yeah, no melena for me, man. Only clean stools. Me? Menstruation in the ass? No. Ihi ko? Okay. My urine's doing fine. Fine like me. Really? Pampers na? Past medical history. Ang nakaraang kasaysayan ng medisina. Pare, nababato na ako. Kasakit ng bato ko. Dude, I'm stoned. Love stoned. No end-stage renal disease for me. Oh, Ding! Ang bato! Oh! Ano yun? That's the stone. Oh, shit. Butas ang puso ko. Shot through the heart! Fistula, man. Hate it. Damn.
Thank you for that very entertaining question, sir. There a major crater in my lovey-dub-dub.
Other pertinent histories. Ang ibang importanteng kasaysayan. Ako ba? Ay, ano ba kayo? Sorry, malis kayo. Sapat sa buwan, walang labis, walang kulang ang bata. Full term, no complications. No. Never.
Full meal, full term. Leopold's na.
Nutrition history. Ang kasaysayan ng paglamon. Kahit anong ibigay mo, kakainin ko. Gross! You poor! Yeah. But I have no food preferences. No. Not for me.
Basta mo, chibugis, busogis, laki at chanes.
Immunization history. Ang kasaysayan ng pagturok. Tol, may BCG scar ako. Kita mo? Ayan o. Turok? Huh? Anyways, I have positive BCG in all vaccinations. Because I'm rich.
Wow. BCG, DFG, Dota, IOTA.
Developmental history. Ang kasaysayan ng nagkakadevelopan. Pare, 17 na ako. Natapos ng ikalimang baitang. 17 again. And I finished grade 5 in IS. Okay? Got it?
Wala pipis na ako maglibues. Bye.
Tapos. The end.
Mga balita punong-puno.
Mga balita balitang walang mapaglagyan.
Mga balitang late nakuha.
Mga balita, second hand.
Mga balitang hindi pinagpaguran.
Mga balitang pinagsama-sama.
Mga balita, smudge.
Ito ang
Balita Sixes!
Ang bakong sutay ko.
Unang balita.
Ulit!
Ulit.
Ulit!
Sa unang balita. Ulit! Isang batang lalaki, ang batang lalaki, nagpa-peritoneal dialysis dahil sa kakulangan ng pera. Bongga!
Bongga! Wait! Okay na. Ako naman. Pasok!
Walang mapaglalagyan.
Mga balitang late nakuha.
Mga balita, second hand.
Mga balitang hindi pinagpaguran.
Mga balitang pinagsama-sama.
Mga balita, smudge.
Ito ang
Balita Sixes!